How to build a side hustle that can make you $1,000 per month or more. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting. How to build a side hustle that can make you $1,000 or more every month. Yep, you heard it right. Let's get started. All right, first things first, what's a side hustle? Well, it's like a little business you run alongside your regular job or school. It's a way to make some extra cash doing something you enjoy. Remember, this will require some extra time and a rock-solid commitment. If you can guarantee these two things, only then you can accomplish this worthy goal. Here are 5 steps that you can follow to build your side hustle. Step 1. Step 1 in building a side hustle that can make you $1,000 or more per month is all about identifying your interests, passions, and skills. This foundational step sets the stage for everything that follows in your entrepreneurial journey. By taking the time to reflect on what you enjoy doing and what you're good at, you can narrow down potential side hustle ideas that align with your strengths and interests. Start by brainstorming activities, hobbies, or skills that bring you joy and fulfillment. Consider the things you naturally gravitate towards in your free time or the tasks that you excel at in your day-to-day life. Whether it's baking, crafting, graphic design, tutoring, or fixing things around the house, jot down any ideas that come to mind without filtering yourself. Next, assess your skills and expertise in each area. Reflect on any special talents, knowledge, or experience you possess that could be valuable in a side hustle. For example, if you're a whiz with numbers, perhaps offering bookkeeping services or tutoring math could be a lucrative opportunity. If you have a green thumb and love gardening, you might consider selling homegrown produce or offering landscaping services. It's also essential to consider the market demand for your skills and interests. Research existing businesses or freelancers in your chosen niche to gauge competition and identify potential gaps or opportunities. Look for areas where you can offer a unique value proposition or cater to an underserved audience. Furthermore, think about how you can leverage your passions and skills to solve a problem or meet a need in the marketplace. Successful side hustles often arise from addressing specific pain points or providing solutions that make people's lives easier or more enjoyable. By focusing on creating value for others, you increase the likelihood of building a sustainable and profitable business. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Your side hustle doesn't have to fit into a traditional mold. Embrace your uniqueness and explore unconventional ideas that set you apart from the crowd. Consider combining different interests or skills to create a one-of-a-kind offering that resonates with your target audience. Lastly, remember that your side hustle should bring you joy and fulfillment, not just financial gain. Choose a venture that excites you and aligns with your values, as passion and enthusiasm are essential drivers of success. By pursuing a side hustle that resonates with your interests and skills, you'll not only increase your chances of reaching your income goals, but also enjoy the journey along the way. Step 2, which involves doing research for your side hustle, is crucial for understanding the market and identifying potential opportunities. When embarking on your side hustle journey, it's essential to conduct thorough research to ensure that your efforts are directed towards a viable and profitable endeavor. One aspect of research is identifying demand. Take the time to explore what products or services are currently in demand in the market. This could involve browsing online marketplaces, conducting surveys, or even talking to potential customers directly. By understanding what people are looking for, you can tailor your side hustle to meet those needs effectively. Additionally, researching competition is key to positioning your side hustle for success. Analyze existing businesses or individuals offering similar products or services and assess their strengths, weaknesses, and pricing strategies. This information can help you differentiate your offering and find a unique selling proposition that sets you apart from competitors. Furthermore, it's essential to study market trends and anticipate future demands. Keep an eye on industry publications, news articles, and social media discussions to stay informed about emerging trends and changes in consumer behavior. Adapting your side hustle to align with these trends can help you stay ahead of the curve and attract a steady stream of customers. Another aspect of research involves understanding your target audience. Take the time to define your ideal customer profile, their demographics, interests, pain points, and purchasing behaviors. This information will guide your marketing efforts and enable you to tailor your products or services to resonate with your target audience effectively. Moreover, researching pricing and profitability is crucial for ensuring that your side hustle is financially viable. Analyze the costs involved in producing or delivering your products or services, including materials, labor, and overhead expenses. Then determine an appropriate pricing strategy that allows you to cover your costs while generating a reasonable profit margin. Finally, don't underestimate the power of networking and seeking advice from industry experts or mentors. Engage with fellow entrepreneurs, join relevant online communities or forums, and attend networking events to learn from others' experiences and gain valuable insights into building a successful side hustle. Thorough research is a foundational step in building a side hustle that can generate $1,000 or more per month. By understanding market demand, competition, trends, target audience, pricing, and profitability, you can position your side hustle for success and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. So roll up your sleeves, dive into research, and pave the way for a thriving side hustle journey. Step 3 is all about spreading the word about your side hustle. It's about leveraging your network and utilizing various channels to promote your products or services to potential customers. Here's a deeper dive into this crucial step. When starting a side hustle, one of the biggest challenges is getting your name out there. That's where word-of-mouth marketing comes into play. By telling your friends, family, and neighbors about your venture, you're tapping into a ready-made network of potential customers. These are people who already know and trust you, making them more likely to support your business. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are powerful tools for promoting your side hustle to a wider audience. Create accounts dedicated to your business and regularly share updates, photos, and special offers. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, and don't be afraid to ask them to share your posts with their own networks. In addition to social media, consider reaching out to local community groups or organizations. Whether it's your church group, sports team, or neighborhood association, these groups often provide opportunities for networking and promotion. Offer to give a presentation or demonstration of your products or services at their next meeting, or see if they'll allow you to advertise in their newsletters or on their websites. Another effective strategy for spreading the word about your side hustle is to collaborate with other businesses or influencers in your niche. Look for complementary businesses or individuals who share a similar target audience and propose partnerships or cross-promotional opportunities. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, you could partner with a local boutique to showcase your pieces in their store, or collaborate with a fashion blogger to feature your products on their blog or social media channels. Networking events, trade shows, and craft fairs are also great opportunities to showcase your side hustle and connect with potential customers face-to-face. Be sure to have plenty of business cards or promotional materials on hand to distribute to interested attendees. These events can help you establish valuable connections within your industry and generate buzz around your business. Finally, don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned advertising. Consider placing ads in local newspapers or magazines, or explore online advertising options such as Google Ads or Facebook ads. Be strategic about where you advertise and target your ads to reach your ideal customers. With the right marketing strategy, you can effectively spread the word about your side hustle and attract the attention of potential customers. Step 4 focuses on establishing a professional online presence for your side hustle through the creation of a website or social media page. This step is crucial because it not only enhances your credibility, but also makes it easier for potential customers to find and engage with your business. Firstly, having a dedicated website or social media page allows you to showcase your products or services in a visually appealing and organized manner. This is your opportunity to highlight what sets your side hustle apart from competitors and why customers should choose to support you. You can upload photos, videos, and detailed descriptions of your offerings, giving customers a clear understanding of what you have to offer. Secondly, an online platform serves as a convenient point of contact for customers to reach out to you with inquiries, orders, or feedback. By including contact information such as email addresses or direct messaging options, you make it easy for potential customers to get in touch with you, thus streamlining the communication process and potentially increasing sales. Moreover, having a professional-looking website or social media page helps to build trust and credibility with potential customers. In today's digital age, many consumers rely on the internet to research products and services before making a purchase decision. A well-designed online presence conveys professionalism and reliability, reassuring customers that they are dealing with a legitimate business. Furthermore, an online platform provides opportunities for customer engagement and interaction. You can use features such as comments, reviews, or direct messaging to communicate with customers, address their questions or concerns, and build relationships. This fosters a sense of community around your brand and encourages repeat business and referrals. Additionally, an online presence opens up possibilities for marketing and promotion. You can leverage social media channels to share updates, promotions, or behind-the-scenes glimpses of your side hustle, keeping your audience engaged and informed. Furthermore, you can explore online advertising options such as pay-per-click campaigns or influencer partnerships to reach a broader audience and attract new customers. Finally, setting up a website or social media page is relatively affordable and accessible, especially with the abundance of user-friendly platforms and tools available today. You don't need advanced technical skills or a big budget to get started. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can create a professional online presence that helps your side hustle thrive. Step 5. In essence, Step 5 of building a lucrative side hustle involves maintaining a keen eye on your financial activities. Every dollar earned and spent contributes to the overall health and sustainability of your venture. Therefore, it's crucial to develop a systematic approach to managing your finances effectively. Additionally, staying organized with your financial records not only ensures compliance with tax regulations, but also provides valuable insights into the financial performance of your side hustle. By maintaining accurate records, you can track trends over time, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions to drive growth. Moreover, Step 5 emphasizes the importance of being proactive rather than reactive when it comes to managing your finances. Instead of waiting until the end of the month to assess your earnings and expenses, strive to stay ahead of the curve by monitoring your financial metrics regularly. This proactive approach allows you to address any issues promptly and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Furthermore, cultivating a mindset of financial discipline and responsibility is essential for long-term success in your side hustle endeavors. This involves practicing prudent spending habits, setting aside funds for future investments or emergencies, and continuously seeking ways to optimize your financial performance. Lastly, Step 5 underscores the need for ongoing learning and adaptation in the ever-evolving landscape of entrepreneurship. As you navigate the challenges and opportunities of building a side hustle, remain open to acquiring new knowledge and skills related to financial management. Whether it's learning about budgeting techniques, exploring software tools for expense tracking, or seeking advice from financial experts, continuous learning can empower you to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. That wraps up Step 5, and there you have it. With a little creativity and hard work, you can build a side hustle that brings in $1,000 or more every month. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start hustling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us about your own side hustle ideas. See you next time.